This presentation is about how to add memories in FamilySearch. The first time you upload a photo or a document, you must read and accept the submission agreement, just saying you won't put anything inappropriate in FamilySearch. One thing that has been added recently is that you can no longer put on pictures of people kissing or about to kiss on the mouth. Go to the Help, top right of your screen, then Help Center menu, then click on Memories. Type in a question or a topic. When you upload a memory, you will see a bar across it saying Unscreened, then say Screening, which will drop off after a short time until FamilySearch has had time to review the memory. Documents support PDF file formats up to 15 megabytes. Photo supports JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and BMP files formats up to 15 megabytes. FamilySearch supports Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. This program no longer supports older versions of Windows such as XP or Vista. When you find a picture online, right-click on your mouse and do a Save Image As. Give it a name and save it to your desktop. You will see the picture as it is with the rough edges. Or you can use a snipping tool to get exactly what you want. Go down to the bottom left of your computer screen, click on the window and type in Snipping Tool. When the display box comes up, click on the word New. The picture will turn white transparent. Use the crosshairs to draw diagonally across the picture. When the picture comes up, go to File, click on Save As, give it a name and save it to your desktop or browser for easy access. Here is the person details page for Arlene Edith Tysinger. I have saved some pictures to my desktop. Now I want to add these into FamilySearch Memories. Click on Memories. Whether you're adding a photo or document, you will follow the same procedure. Click on Upload Photo. Click on the photo or document you desire, then click on Open. It will come in like this with an unprocessed banner across it. The banner will drop off after a short time, after FamilySearch has had time to review it. We will now tag this photo by clicking the red exclamation mark. One note, if you wanted to add this picture to someone else, you would go into their details page and select it from the gallery. You won't upload a picture more than once. Click between the eyes and a box comes up. Click on the green dot and drag diagonally. Left click on the picture to move the box if needed. Then click on Save. You will also want to add a title and save it. If there are multiple people in a picture, you will want to tag all of them. I click between Arlene's eyes and drag at the box to frame her head. As I start to type in Arlene's name, a list comes up and you can click on Arlene's name. Now this picture is tagged to her. The names of the people in this photo may not automatically come up. Type the name in and click on Add New. Click on Attach to Family Tree. Insert the 7-digit personal identification number, then click on Select. On the next pop-up, click on Attach. After you have tagged all the faces and attached them to Family Tree, when you roll the mouse over each picture, a frame will come up showing their name, as seen with Wilbur. Any information that you have should be added here under Description. You can drag the corner of the box here to make the box bigger. You can also add a date or place or a story, or add it to an album. If you would like to dictate a memory, click on the microphone and you can record your memory. You must have a microphone connected to your computer. But if you don't have one on your computer and you have a smartphone, you can go to the same place on your FamilySearch tree into Memories of a person and tap on the microphone by the picture and accomplish the same function. It will be seen on both your phone and your computer. If you don't want to record anything, you can always type in a memory here. FamilySearch doesn't automatically bring in a portrait, but it gives you the chance to select one. Click on the circle and click on Add Portrait. Click on the one you want to display as a portrait, or you can upload a new picture from your computer or select one from the gallery. Use this bar to shrink or enlarge the picture to fit the circle. This icon will rotate the picture if you desire, then save as a portrait. This might take a minute or two. If you change your mind, click on the portrait again, and you can edit or replace or remove the portrait. You are removing it from the circle only. It will not affect uploaded memories. Now, a few things to note. Click on the arrow under Actions. You will be able to open in a new tab, rotate left or right, download it, add it to an album, change it to a document, move to an archive, show containing albums, or delete it. If you delete it here, it deletes it from the whole gallery and tree. You can only delete a picture if you put it in. You can make any document a photo or any photo into a document. However, you cannot make a document into a photo if the document is put in as a PDF file, nor can you attach it to a story. JPEG, TIFF, PNG, and BMP formats are okay. Keep this in mind when entering documents. Changing a photo to a document and vice versa does not affect links, titles, or descriptions. On the right under Share are the places you can share this picture with. You must have an account to each of these shared websites. Clicking on the arrow beside their name gives you the option of editing the tag or deleting the tag, which will remove it from the person only. The picture will stay in your gallery and you can attach it to another person. When you're in Documents, on the top bar here, you have the option of rotating it or downloading it or printing it out. Click under Actions. You have the option of opening this document in a new tab or downloading it or adding it to an album, moving it to archive, show containing albums, or deleting it. Again, deleting it under Actions deletes it from the whole tree and gallery. There are 3 people on this death certificate that I would like to have added to their memories as well. FamilySearch refers to this as tagging. For instance, if I add Albert Sidney Overholt, I would start typing in his name and choose from the list that comes up, or add new. I would then type in Lucy McNeil and Hannah M. Kogel, tagging them to this document as well. Just typing in the 3 names listed in this document attaches the death record as a memory in each of these people. You can see it here in Albert's memories. To add a story, click on Create Story. On the next screen that comes up, you can upload a photo or select one from the gallery, add a title, and then copy and paste or type in your story. FamilySearch gives you 60 minutes to type in a story. If you don't think you will be done by then, go ahead and save it and then go back in and edit it and continue typing your story. Clicking on the story allows you to go in and edit the story or the title. If you accidentally put the story on the wrong person, click beside their name and delete the tag. That way it stays in the gallery and then you can attach it to the right person. Click on Actions and you have the same menu as in Documents. If you delete it, know that it will be deleted from the whole tree, including the gallery. A note about living people. Everyone is given what is called a private space, where when adding a living person, only you can see it and modify it and add memories to them. You will see a yellow bar at the top of their details page. Other people can add that same living person to their tree, but it will have a different personal identification number, and they will not be able to view your information, nor will you be able to view theirs on that particular person. Although family tree records for living people are private, the memories attached to them are potentially viewable by anyone. Anyone using Google or other internet search engines may be able to find it, including those who are signed into FamilySearch. If you tag and attach a memory to a living person in Family Tree, it is harder to find than a memory that is attached to a deceased person. I would refer you to the article on who can view the items uploaded to memories in the Help section for more information. If you did not add the story, you cannot delete it. You can only download it or add it to an album. I can, however, make a comment and I can tag it to other people in my tree. Type in the names in the story and choose from the list, or add new, just like we did in Documents. Then attach it to their tree. To add an audio to your person, you should have a microphone on your computer. Record your story, then save it to a file and upload it the same as you did photos, documents, and stories. However, if you have a smartphone, adding photos and audio recordings are really easy and involve less steps. There is a video in this series entitled Using the Family Tree mobile app. I want to take a minute to talk about the general headings in Memory section. If I click on Overview, it will give me a brief overview of what is available in Memories. If I click on Gallery, I can see everything that is in my Memories. I can see the word All underlined. That means I am seeing pictures, documents, stories, and audio. Click on the picture icon to see just pictures, the story icon just to see stories, the document icon just to see documents, and the audio just to see audios. Under Arrange, I can arrange them by newest added or alphabetically, or the ones with no title, not tagged, or not in an album. You can also see I'm in grid view because it is underlined. Still in the gallery, I can filter to see just the list of names. I can arrange the names by clicking on the drop down here, and on the left side choose the type of memory I want to see. Under the gallery view, you can move and sort your pictures. You can move memories into a favorites list. This can include stories, pictures, documents, and audio. Archive them to make them private, or you can see recently deleted. These recently deleted memories will be deleted permanently after 120 days. While in recently deleted, they cannot be viewed by others, edited, or attached to Family Tree. But since mistakes happen, FamilySearch gives us a chance to restore the picture. Click on the recently deleted, then click on the picture you want to restore, then right-click on the same picture to bring up this box. Then I can click on Move to My Memories and attach it to the right person. You can also make a new album and or drag the desired pictures into albums you have created as well. Or if you wanted to drag lots of pictures in at one time, click on the green plus sign. Highlight all the pictures you want to bring in and drag them into the gray area. Or you can bring in a whole album, or you can bring in photos from your own Instagram, Facebook, or Google photo accounts. If I go to the People tab, I can sort them to see all the people or only close relatives, or added by me, or not attached to Family Tree. I can also sort them by first or last name or birth year. The Find feature is complicated as of now. You can get more information on this by clicking on the Help tab and typing in the title, How do I search the photos, stories, documents, audio files, and memories. But there are other ways to find what you're looking for. If you need to search for someone, click on the magnifying glass and it will bring up a search bar. Put in just the first name or just the last name for quicker results. If you put in first and last name, it has to be exactly as it appears in FamilySearch, middle name or initial, and all. If I type in the last name of Wolford, for instance, the program will bring up all the Wolfords in my gallery, and I can go to their person page and see all their memories. You can also add a picture in with a source. Under Sources on the Details page, click on Add Source. This box will come up. Click on Add a New Memory Source. Click on Upload a New Memory or select from the gallery. These memories can be our greatest treasures, and we and our posterity will be so glad that we took the time to put them in. If you want more information on how to put memories into your phone, see Using the Family Tree mobile app included in this series. Thanks for watching and have a great day.